Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the Honor Pad 10. It's a 12-inch tablet priced at only $300. It's available in Europe right now, while it's actually 300 euros in some region. It's a pretty light and slim device. It measures something like 6.3 millimeters in thickness and weighs a pretty decent 525 grams. It's got a 12.1-inch IPS LCD screen with 120 Hz refresh rate and a 2.5K resolution. This tablet here is sold in my region with a stylus support, and you can also attach a keyboard to it. So you can fix it like this, prop it up, and you can start, so you can fix it like this, and on the bottom here, properly, do this, and you can get a laptop replacement. You can actually type on the keyboard here and use a stylus. Once you're done, this keyboard is actually also a case that protects the device. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so let's see what else the Honor Pad 10 offers us. You can see here some of its specifications, which are pretty cool. It's available in gray. It comes in two versions. You can see here the regular Wi-Fi version. You can see the 5G version as well. And we also have a 10,100 mAh battery with 35 watt charging. Now we also have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. Plus, I should also mention other things. So we have here 6 speakers available on board. This is the measurements you have. You also have macOS 9.0 based on Android 15, and of course multitasking is available as well. There are other features you can learn about: the screen, the battery, which charges pretty fast, the actual experience, which includes the 6 speakers, the design traits. The backside looks pretty cool. It's a dual-tone backside, and here we have a singular camera in spite of what it appears, an 8-megapixel camera. At the front side, 8-megapixel camera again. And for the sake of multitasking, you get the following things. So, if you want to do a split screen, if you're inside Chrome, for example, and you close Chrome here, you can split the screen in two. You can take notes while watching a video or browsing the web. We can also do other things. If you're in the note-taking application, you have AI notes here. They can rewrite stuff for you, they can do a summary, they can format, they can correct, they can take minutes, and we have even more AI features which we'll uncover here. Now, if you go here, you can learn more about the tablet. You can learn its resolution, you can learn its RAM, storage, you can see everything about it, the GPU, the processor, and the AI features are stored here on AI. You get AI suggestions, which is basically AI suggestions are basically applications suggested for your day-to-day use. Now, aside from that, you have Text Magic, which extracts text and numbers from pictures. And at the same time, we have Magic Portal, and I'm going to show you how Magic Portal works. So basically, with Magic Portal, you can take a picture or text and drag it to the side, and then you can send it to one of these applications. You can send an address to Google Maps or Uber, or you can send someone a picture, or actually send it to social media to post it. That's just one example of the Magic Portal. We're not done here. We also have AI subtitles. Basically, AI subtitles gets real-time translation for your voice and for your videos. There should be a translation and even deepfake detection, which is useful if you're using Zoom, if you're using WhatsApp calling and other things like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And once again, we have an 8-megapixel camera at the front, 8-megapixel camera at the back, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a lithium polymer battery with a 10,100 mAh capacity. Honor Connect lets you connect to other Honor phones, other headphones, other watches, and things like that. And I would say this is pretty much it. Of course, you have a taskbar at the bottom here. These are the recently used applications, and these are the most often used applications. And I would say this is the first contact with the tablet. 300 euros, I would say, is a decent price for a mid-range tablet with these specs. It should be good enough for gaming, productivity. It also has a stylus, so basically a decent package for 300 euros. That's it from Tablet-News.com. Goodbye.